Did you make your handprint?
Pretty close.
Yay!
Yay! There's Ellis's handprint.
He said, yeah, I want to paint some more.
Yeah. So what?
Says I like painting.
Okay. Here, let me get your fingers.
You should get some paint at
We'll have to give you a bubble bath afterwards.
Wow, good circles.
Good job. See, it's all gone.
Good circles, guys.
Do you want to do yours too? Yeah.
Oh, you gonna do it with your fingers
I
now?
didn't show Mommy how to do this.
Sorry.
There's a trick. No, we just discovered it.
Oh.
Bring it up through here first.
Oh.
See?
Well, that's why I took his shirt
Like a
off.
hand.
That's right, buddy, with your
There
fingers.
You can do that.
Yeah.
Here, wait. Here. Okay.
Look, I made a water
Yes.
pink.
Good job, buddy. Yes, you did make the water pink. Good job, bud. Do it again. Do it again. Oh, you want to do it on this one?
It tickles.
Hang on. Let's move this paper. And we'll put this paper there. Okay, do it right here. Right here. No, right here. Put your hand. Put your hand right here.
Well, now, hey, you got to keep your fingers still.
Okay, good job. Wow, that's a pretty one, Ellis.
Is it for my name?
Okay, now don't bend your fingers. Leave them there until I get a piece of paper.
Don't touch anything. Don't touch anything. Don't touch anything.
Nothing. Okay, let's put
Good
it
job, Ellis.
right here.
I
Okay.
love to paint.
Straight up. Straight up. Oh,
Huh?
good job.
I made a handprint.
I know.
I want to make a handprint. Oh, I want
You got the other hand too?
Yeah. I'm going to make my handprint.
What you painting, Mira?
Her hand.
What?
What you painting?
Well, okay. Here.
Can I make my handprint?
What are you painting? Your picture?
No.
What's on your picture?
Hold on.
Now, can I make my handprint?
Just a moment.
She just wants a yes or no.
Yes, I told her yes, just a minute.
Wait for Nana.
Have to wait for Nana because Max isn't finished. We have to do one at a time.
That's right.
You want a blue? Okay. You want a blue hand? Okay.
That tickles.
Good job, buddy. You are making some great pictures.
Erwin.
This is a good activity.
Maybe we should make a picture for Grandma, Ellis. Do you want to make one for Grams? Do you want to make a picture for Grams?
Or we can make
Yes?
one for Jackie.
Do you want to make a picture for Grams? Yes, cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese.